All right, should we start outside, you think, or should we just fucking wing it?
I think just wing it for now. Welcome to Seems Legit Garage. Well, House of Speed, I guess. Yeah.
Yeah.
God, my glasses are so dirty. Welcome to
I
House
don't think your glasses matter because you're so blind anyway.
We've been hard at work for, I guess, like 8 weeks now, essentially.
Yeah, so we're calling this stage 2.
This is this is stage 2. This is MHD stage 2 shop flash.
So yeah, the shop's in like a good point right now where it's like acceptable to like look at it. So we're gonna take you on a quick tour and then we're gonna start moving some cars over here. So
yeah, we need cars, we need tools, we need things like that. We've kind of been focusing on like the HGTV renovation phase.
yeah,
So
yeah.
nothing exciting has been happening other than like packing boxes slower than normal and doing drywall.
Drywall, so much drywall.
It's so
unacceptable, but
it's awful.
All right, so yeah, let's go in then.
Yeah.
So, as this is going to be, this is the
Showroom area.
Ryan, hard at work. Thank you, Ryan.
Wait till you clean the floor at least.
Because like stage 2. This is
There's
Ryan.
no cleaning.
These are-
Like, unfortunately, we've mocked this so many times, and once you touch drywall, it's just a disaster. Anyone who's done drywall knows there's no good way around it.
That's Ryan. He's our contractor / drag racer in house.
Top notch.
He goes in straight lines. We don't.
Yeah, we don't know what that is. All right, so we'll walk down. We have our British Racing green wall. It's beautiful.
Doing transmissions in here in Sean's office.
Yep, Sean's off. You know it's Sean's office because Sean loves Cobras.
Yeah, but also it's set up pretty sweet. So we got a DSG
Yeah.
mechatronics there, bunch of BMW mechatronics there. Sean does all our wiring. He's a beast. You guys can't yell at me anymore for wiring, so I have resigned myself from the position.
We'll just yell at Sean.
And we got Chris's
This is
office in here with the
My
splatter
office,
paint.
I'm so fancy.
Yeah,
It's unreal. Artistic abilities. Yeah, I got a plant to really spice up the black. Wow, the black background, the black walls on camera make this place look so dark. My gaming setup, because I'm a nerd that doesn't actually game, but I need a gaming computer so that I can do CAD.
So this is where the magic happens.
This is
this is
MTV Cribs in a nutshell.
Yeah, this is where the magic happens. This is where the online store comes from.
Yeah. We gotta look at the purple wall just one time.
All right, just don't imagine Barney in it. Looks good. So this is a Ferrari wall. We're gonna put black stripes on. We're gonna do white, but then Ferrari came out with the 2022 livery, and we're like, damn, that black looks good.
It looks good.
We're gonna do the black livery.
This is the kitchen that is...
It's in process. You know, whatever.
Everything's in process. I mean, that's why we're calling it stage 2. She's obviously not done,
We painted
but
those
she's
walls,
good enough that like you can take it to car
You
shows.
can kind of understand. It runs. This is a 3D printing room. We're gonna have a bunch of printers here. We're just waiting on the outlets to get put in, so we can have power for them. Obviously, this is gonna be heated and like dehumidified, so it's like the most 3D printing thing you've ever seen.
The women's bathroom is coming along great.
It
Like
was so gross before.
it is some touch up a little bit still, but like I mean, in terms of like being a women's bathroom, it's a bajillion times better than our men's bathroom.
Even I'd take a poop in there.
Which I don't even think I want to show the bathroom. We'll just look at the parts for a second. But yeah, all right. So we got some pallet racking up and in, which made a huge difference for just getting shit off the floor and just being organized.
So we're still kind of sorting through it, and we're starting to get all the stockpile racking over here for all the product and stuff like that. Still a little
This is a terrible shot of this, but like, yeah. So, I mean, we got some shipping tables now, which is nice because these are on wheels, so we could just push them around once we finish shipping for the day. The golf cart made it out. So from this angle, though, you can see that like we'll have racking coming off that wall a little bit.
Yeah, so the racks will be against the wall. We have to paint the wall first.
Yeah.
And then we're going to put the ball racks in front. We have another row of racks to come in as well for the rest of the product. Still at Chris's house.
We own a tire machine, which we're super proud of, and we're super excited to just be able to do all our own tires and help our friends out. And the occasional customer, I am not going to be a bell tire, but I will definitely help people.
Yeah.
The works have made it to the rack with the BCs, which, yep, that's straight up NASCAR, but my work's behind it. And then we have Ryan's drag tire, which puts all of our tires to shame, but like
So
he do big boy things.
obviously we have still crap everywhere, but
It's stage 2. They know.
stage 2. So this is the alignment rack. This is going to be for alignment station with our
So this one's straight onto the wall so that we could have the alignment rack against that wall.
perfect.
Oh, we got to show the alignment stands though, because these are beautiful. So we got the scales in the bottom corner, but we got these heavy duty boys, so that way they all have turn plates. They all have anti-roll things. So like
We're just gonna cut them a little shorter.
this way, so everyone's like, why didn't you buy a 4-post? But getting real cars, low cars, drift cars onto a 4-post still sucks. No matter how much money you spend on a
Good luck
4-post.
getting on a 4-post with a splitter on.
And then you just have a bunch of wood in it, like, or race ramps, and
This is just
you
great.
might as well just. This I can perfectly level each one to the floor, so it's
perfect. This
does
is the-
exactly
the-
the same thing. It's beautiful.
So
And then,
it's a fab table we picked up from Torque Distribution.
yeah, thank you, Torqued, for the table.
Yeah.
This was a 16-foot table, and honestly, with the price of wood right now, it was a great steal for that. So
Scales go in that corner with the forklift over there. We have all the gas over there for explosions.
yeah, but basically today we are going to fill these bays with our cars so that I can have my garage back, and my wife's going to be so happy. But starting to get some of the machinery stuff over here, just out of my house in this corner. This will be the
out
fab
of-
corner, but
Out of your driveway.
yeah. All right, now let's go upstairs.
Oh yeah, that's a cool part.
We gotta scurry our way over. How's the drywall, Ryan? Done already? So Ryan doesn't do drywall. Drywall sucks. Anyone who does drywall for a living, like, bless your heart. So, all right. I don't know why I flipped that around. So this
This
is
is the final layout, but
no.
we're getting there. So we haven't leveled this whole thing because before it had a little boxy structure on it. This had a whole drop ceiling, which we canceled. There's so many things that happened. This place was such a wreck.
Yeah.
And
They
then,
don't. But they care about it now. So
look at this.
I got a fridge, plants. This is the sim station.
Dreams do come true. All right?
Yeah. So
We got curving essentially. Just grass in the track. It's-
don't go on the grass.
Looks, yeah, you know. looks
Drop a
good.
wheel every now and again, but
Yeah, so this is gonna push against the wall once the outlets are in.
yeah. So the electrician's still finishing some stuff now, but we had to go with the dueling Mercedes Red Bull seats.
Of course.
We want people using them to be just as passionate as Mercedes and Red Bull.
Yeah.
Just, that's snacks. You probably don't care about that, but this will just be cool display things. This is
This is built. We had to build this box around this like
oh, the
HVAC
box.
vent.
Yeah, I guess.
So that was the big ugly vent in the middle. So we built this box around it, and make it a false wall sort of deal.
Yeah, it makes it look good.
Yeah.
But quick note: this is Lance Stroll's brake rotor from last season when he crashed.
It weighs nothing.
I think it weighs like 3.5 pounds. The whole thing. It's a great piece of engineering. Oh, and then some good old autographed gloves. Just cool display pieces up here. The Starbucksy vibe, so that you can hang out, lounge. I can't tell if this thing's just not focusing well, or we're just not computer people yet. Camera people, computer people. Yeah.
All right, I guess
We'll
we're going
see.
now. All right, is it
Back to it. Camera technical difficulties.
So sweet wheels here. F1, GT3, JGTC, IndyCar, vintage IndyCar. We'll go through these in detail in the video.
Yeah. Stage 2.
Yeah. So yeah, so that's the shop. We're about to go grab some more stuff. And hopefully it started working here.
Apparently Mike likes purple and green, subconsciously picking out accent chairs.
Oh, don't blame me. But yeah, here's Brennan Greaves, Australia, drifter, also electrician.
Yes, the man of many talents. But all right, let's go get some cars. All right, we're gonna send Mike on the golf cart to go get the cars. Okay. That's as he smashes the pallet racking.
Yes. Full throttle.
You can't fit by this pallet.
I think you can underneath it.
You fit it underneath it?
Steering wheel's not gonna make it.
Steering wheel will not make it.
Damn.
What would? Oh, this would.
Back it in though, like in the
Oh, you could.
And just have the front sticking out.
Do it later.
I was gonna ask which would win in a drag race, this or the forklift. The forklift is surprisingly fast.
I think it's got good time.
Oh yeah.
The golf cart probably does 20.
Is there nothing to do around here anymore?
I don't think so.
No, you're just such a great contractor that.
You did it to yourself.
So this is how we move the trailer in and out. This great contraption. It actually works sweet. Saves us so much time. But let's go get the trailer. Ryan's just gonna complain. Ryan does Ryan things. Get the truck. Oh, the poor Maserati. I don't think anyone's seen the Maserati. Our buddy gave us this and was like, hey, I found a Maserati Merrick SS 86 in a barn. It's in great shape. Can I send it to you guys to restore? And this showed up. Now there's just cats living in it, unfortunately. But it just has such a cool body style that we were like, oh man, we should try. And unfortunately, it's just sat out here for a while. It's still like, apparently it ran like before it was shipped to us. I don't know how true that is, but I think there's just some cats driving it now. The inside is pretty rough. That is not from this car, but yeah, the Maserati Merrick. Such a cool little project car. We could get it going. Unfortunately, like, we're going to trailer our cars because they don't drive, which is basically nothing new. So, to the next adventure. Keep these short and sweet. We are going to be uploading on a more consistent schedule now, so the goal is going to be twice a week. I wish more, but I don't really want to overpromise and underdeliver, so let's go 2 for now. So hopefully you'll be seeing a lot more of us in the future, and yeah, we'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.